Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Mediterranean cuisine, a diet celebrated for its incredible flavors and remarkable health benefits. Originating from sun drenched regions like Greece, Italy, and Spain, this culinary tradition is more than just food, it's a lifestyle. At its heart are fresh, wholesome ingredients: plump olives, ripe tomatoes, aromatic garlic, and fragrant herbs. You'll also find abundant seafood, rich olive oil, and creamy yogurt, forming the foundation of these delicious meals. From refreshing Greek salads and creamy hummus to savory paella and crispy falafel, each dish tells a story of rich cultural heritage. Beyond taste, the Mediterranean diet is celebrated for its incredible health benefits, promoting heart health and overall well being. It's a balanced approach to eating that emphasizes fresh, unprocessed foods, making every meal both nourishing and satisfying. So, why not bring the flavors of the Mediterranean to your table tonight? Your taste buds and your body will thank you.